Hi everyone, today we will discuss with you about technical analysis and I will show you and tell you in detail more about my strategy based on support and resistance lines because you have asked me about it in the comments. Thank you so much for these questions and comments. I really read everything and I will answer everyone. So guys, do not forget to subscribe to the channel, put your like, write a comment and write in the comments what you would like to see in the next videos. So guys, let's start. Hi guys, today we will be trading on Quadex platform and I'll show you and tell you how I'm doing my technical analysis and how I determine the next price movements. So in my trading I usually use 15 seconds charts and I open my trades from 1 to 5 minutes depending on the situation of the market. I'm analyzing the 15 seconds time frame and then I find the similar situations on the market because as you know in trading everything repeats and my experience can give me the chance to determine the very good entry points because I can see the price movement, the next price movements, and thanks to my experience and I can see that really because the best indicator in trading is our eyesight and our experience. And so guys, I'm very ready to show you everything I know. Well guys, before starting work I look at the charts and find a good situation for my trading. Let's consider this situation as an example. Beginner most likely in this situation will not see anything interesting for themselves. It will be just a chart, But now I will show and tell you what I can see here. So for technical analysis, let's select a horizontal line or an uptrend line. And the horizontal line is set according to the upper values of these candlesticks. And here we will determine the resistance level. Also we can see that this level has given the reaction, price touched this level and then immediately rolled down. A little below we can see the inner level. I will designate it a horizontal dashed line. The price also gave the reaction there. We will set the trend line to the lower candlesticks due to the uptrend. Thus we have identified some boundaries of this chart. We can also notice that on all the lines that we have set, the price gave the reaction and then bounced from them. We can predict the further movement of the price, and the moment we can see the price is starting to bounce from the uptrend line and approaching the main resistance level. Therefore in this situation I would like to open a trade for 3 minutes with up. I think that very soon the price will continue its movement to this level. Perhaps this level will be broken through. Let's do it for 3 minutes with a reserve, expecting that a slight downward rollback may occur and only then the upward movement will continue. So guys, let's see if our technical analysis is right and see what can happen. Well guys, not bad. As I assumed, after the small pullback down, the upward movement continued and here we are getting our profit. 3 minutes were enough here. So you also can see that the price came to this level, but this level hasn't been broken through yet. So let's open the next trade right here. Let's do it for 2 minutes with up. I think that very soon this level will be broken through definitely because I can see the sticking to the level and it's very obvious. So guys, let's check it. Well guys, it's excellent. The price broke through this level and then fixed over it, and here we are getting our profit. 2 minutes were enough here. So let's continue and consider the next situation. So guys, I rewound my chart to the left and in the last 6 hours I found the lowest point on the chart. This is our support level. Also we can notice that a little bit higher there is the inner level and the price is at this moment coming to the first level. So I rewind my chart to the beginning and we can see the both levels. So in this situation I would like to open a trade with down. Let's do it for 3 minutes. Also we can see that there is a good and strong downtrend. The price is touching this level already second time. The first touch you can see a little bit left. So I would like to, I propose that in this situation there will be the breakout of this level after a small pullback up or a small flat maybe. So guys, let's wait for the results and see what can happen. Well guys, it's not bad. The price continued its moving to the main level of support and here we had time and closed out trade in the profit. So guys, let's continue. Well guys, I rewound my chart to the left and you can see this situation. Let's set the horizontal line to these points where the price touched several times, and this way we can determine the main and inner levels. In this situation the price is moving to the inner resistance level. So also you can see the price maximum, it's getting higher and they're sticking to the level. So you also can notice that a few minutes later there was a touch of this level, and after that the price rolled back down, and now it's again approaching our level. I think the price will continue to move to this level, and maybe this level will be broken through. So guys, let's open a trade with up. Let's do it for 3 minutes, expecting, you know, a small pullback down or maybe a small flat. So guys, we need to check everything. Well guys, as you can see, after a small pullback and the small flat, the upward movement continued, and here we are getting very good profit. So, you know, 3 minutes were enough here. Everything's going well. Let's continue and see another situation. So guys, here we also set in the highest point in last hour. It will be our resistance level. Also a little bit lower there is the inner level. As you can notice, at all these levels the price gave the reaction. Let's rewind the chart to the beginning and you can see the both levels. Also you can see that price broke our level, and you know, there was a false breakout of the main level, and after that the price rolled back down. After this the price again came to our main resistance level, and there was again the roll back down. So guys, in this situation, let's open a trade for 3 minutes with up. I think that very soon the price will continue to kind of move to this level, and these levels both will be broken through. So guys, let's check what can happen this time. Well guys, it's not bad. After a pullback down, the upward movement continued, and here we had time and closed our trade in the profit. So we also can see the price is keeping on sticking to the level. So let's open the next trade right here. Let's do it with up for 3 minutes with the same expectation that the price will continue its moving up and these levels will be broken through. So guys, let's check it. Well guys, it's good. So the price continued its moving up and then got into a special range. You know, our main resistance level hasn't been broken through yet, and at this situation there is kind of small flat. You know, there is a price range and the price is moving in this range. So, you know, there's kind of accumulation of forces, and I think that very soon the price will continue its moving up. So let's open the next trade right here. The price is at the lower edge of this range, you know, and let's do it for 3 minutes with up. I think that this time will be quite enough. So guys, we need to check it. Well guys, it's excellent. As you can see, this level has been broken through and we are getting very good profit, and 3 minutes were enough here. You know, our technical analysis that we used was correct. That's why we have got our positive result. So guys, let's continue and consider the next situation. So here you can see there was a good uptrend. Also you can see the resistance level. The price touched this level, then pulled back down. After that continued moving to this level. At this situation there is kind of, you know, sticking to this level. The price minimum is getting, you know, higher and higher, thereby, you know, closer to our level. It's saying us that very soon there will be the breakthrough of this level. So let's open a trade with up for 2 minutes. So guys, we need to check it. Well guys, after a small roll back downward, the upward movement continued and this level has been broken through. So here we are getting our profit. 2 minutes were just enough here. So the situations on the market can be different. Somewhere, you know, the price is moving more confidently, somewhere less. This is the market and you should understand it, yeah? But anyway, we have got our profit, and whatever it is, the main thing is the profit. So let's continue. So here we can see the support level. Also we can see the price has already touched this level and then rolled back up, and now it's again approaching our level. Also pay attention to the fact that it's not very far from the level. There was a small flat, you know, the level is been sticked, and in this situation let's open a trade with down for 2 minutes, because I think that this time will be quite enough here. So guys, let's wait for the end of our trade. Well guys, it's excellent. The price continued its moving down and this level has been broken through, and here we are getting our profit. 2 minutes were enough here. So let's continue and consider the next situation. Well guys, here you can see that there was a good downtrend. Also the price touched this level, and after that there was a small pullback up, and now the price is again coming to our level. Also pay attention to the price maximum, it's getting lower, thereby closer to our level. Also pay attention to the red long candlestick. At this situation, let's open a trade. We're down for 3 minutes. I think that very soon the price will continue its move into the support level. Let's check it. Well guys, it's excellent. The downward movement continued and this level has been broken through, and here we are getting very good, brilliant profit. 3 minutes were enough here, so let's find something interesting on the market. Well guys, here you can see there was a good and strong uptrend. Also you can see our resistance level. The price touched this level, then rolled back down. And also pay attention that price minimum is getting higher and higher, closer to our level. So I think that very soon this level will be broken through. So let's open a trade with up. Let's do it for 2 minutes, I suppose. So guys, we need to check it. Well, it's excellent guys, this level has been broken through and we are getting very good profit. 2 minutes were enough here, so let's continue and find something interesting. So guys, here you also can see the resistance level. The price broke through this level and it's going higher, so let's open a trade with up. Let's do it for 1 minute, I think, at the pullback after the breakthrough of the level. So you can see the attenuation and the red candlestick. It's a little bit longer than the previous ones, the green color. So let's open a trade with down. It's also saying us that very soon there will be the reversal and sometime the price will be falling down. I think 1 minute will be quite enough here. So guys, let's check it. Well, it's excellent guys, there was a reversal and here we are getting very good profit. 1 minute was enough here, so let's continue and consider the next situation on the market. So guys, here we can see the horizontal resistance level. Also we can see the price touched this level, then rolled back down. At the moment, over the last half an hour, the price again approached this level. And also guys, pay attention that how exactly the price approached this level, and it approached it quite confidently. We also can see that there was no sticking to the level, and in this situation there will be a roll back, from the resistance level, most likely. So let's open a trade for 2 minutes. We're down, because we remember that in most cases before the breakthrough of the level there's kinda sticking to the level or maybe a small flat, and since it's the first touch after a confident coming to the level, a roll back will most likely happen. So guys, we need to check it. Let's see. Well guys, it's excellent. The pullback really happened from the level. Here we are getting our profit, and 2 minutes were enough here. Also you can see that at this situation, at this moment, the price kind of sticking to the level. After a small pullback, the price again came to this level, and again there was a small pullback down. Also pay attention to the price minimum, it's getting higher now, thereby sticking to our level. I think that very soon this level will be broken through too. So let's open the next trade right here for 3 minutes with the reserve with up. As you can see, after technical analysis, we at first opened the trade with down from this level. Now, after a while, we are opening a trade with up at this level. Thanks to the technical analysis, we can prognose the price movements, the next price movement. So guys, let's check what can happen this time. Well guys, as you can see, this level has been broken through and we are getting the gorgeous profit. So we already have $21,661 in our deposit. So let's open the last trade for today. So guys, I decided to open the next trade on this currency pair. So let's start our technical analysis and I'll tell you what I can see here. I can see here the support level. Also we can see a good downward movement. There is kind of a downward price range. Also we can see that there is kind of sticking to the level of support. In this situation, let's open a trade with down for 3 minutes, expecting that the price will be rolling back from the support level, and after that the downward movement will continue and this level will most likely be broken through. So guys, let's wait for the results and see what's gonna happen this time. Well guys, it's excellent. The descending price range continued its downward movement and this level has been broken through. So 3 minutes were enough here, so and here we have got the very confident profit. So now I will mark the edges of this range. I hope that many of you have noticed it without my help, because with experience you will be able to find trading situations and correctly, predict the market situations. Today we traded with technical analysis, and as you could see, all the situations in the market worked out perfectly, and thanks to it we have got the amazing profit, and now our deposit is $25,000, and now I can leave the market and I can finish my trading. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope that you found it very useful and very interesting for yourself, and the most important, it must be motivational for you, because I really want you to try your best in trading. Find the similar situations on the market, try to trade, try to use the technical analysis and all the knowledge that you could find in these videos that I'm showing you, and I really want and hope that you would make your profit, and your profit will be very brilliant. So guys, do not forget to subscribe to the channel, put your like ready, comment, and if you want to trade with me in one team and ask me your questions, you just need to come to my Telegram and write me the code word private, and I will add you in my private chat where you'll find very interesting information for yourself. So guys, see you next time.